Well, making me a heart box, and my granddaughter, the first one ever. I don't know. I guess it turned out okay. Probably not the best, but got a lot of sanding to do on it. As you can see right there, a lot of sanding. But like I said, my first one. We'll see what happens. I'll post another video when I get it finished. But anyway, that center right there where I cut that out, I took and sanded it down a little bit. Burnt me a little love logo in there, or love thing in it. I don't know, I just didn't want to throw it away. Looked too good. I can hang it on the wall, or how about this, like set it on the table like that or something. I think it's pretty neat. It turned out pretty good. Better than throwing it in the trash. Anyway, okay, we'll see y'all later. Have a good one.